Good afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here at Rockingham Speedway, where this Saturday, March the 4th, they will host their second annual open house. The event starts at 10 a.m. and it is free, and parking is also free. It will be a day full of rocking fun with lots of racing, the stock car classics, and also vintage stock cars. Special guest Donnie Allison will also be here. There will be music, bouncy houses, and much more from 10 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. So make sure to come by The Rock this Saturday, March the 4th. Today, March 2nd, kicks off the market days for March for Willow Tree and Company downtown Rockingham with everything spring. There'll be a 9-ball pool tournament at Double Vision tonight, and it's also Thirsty Thursday at the Lounge in Rockingham and Hail Mary's Tavern in Hamlet. On Friday, March the 2nd, Willow Tree and Company will continue their March market days. Also, Ideal Farms in Hamlet is going to have their vintage flea market. That will be 2 days, Friday and Saturday. Friday night, there will be live music in downtown Rockingham with the Beach Fever Band. And at Double Vision, they will have karaoke with DJ Eric Whitfield. The Lounge will have drink specials for the ladies, and at Hail Mary's Tavern in Hamlet, they will have Flashback Friday. Also, Coleman's Creek will have night shooting both Friday night and Saturday night. Also, Friday night, there will be a pottery class at Bisque in Hamlet, and on Saturday, it will be day 2 of the Vintage Flea Market in Hamlet at Ideal Farms. It will also be the final day for the March market days at Willow Tree and Company. There will be night shooting at Coleman's Creek. The Rock Open House will be from 10 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. And then that evening, DJ Roy G will be at Double Vision. There will be drink specials for the men at the Lounge in Rockingham, and Hail Mary's Tavern will have Bowtie Karaoke. There will also be some action on the PD River this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, with the King of the PD River Catfishing Tournament. Next Thursday, 1 week from today, on March the 9th, the Chamber will have their 40th anniversary celebration and annual meeting at Cole Auditorium. And also that evening, Discovery Place Kids will host an event that is sensory friendly and also for children with special needs. For more information on these events and more upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Visit Richmond County NC. See us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County, and on Instagram at Richmond Tourism. See you next week.